Alright.
What?
I am going to be going over one-step equations.
Are we gonna get to two-step?
What you think?
Yes. Period.
Can I just get the test?
One-step equations. One-step equations, okay?
I like them.
Well, if you would have taken my pre-test yesterday,
Could I just get the test?
Everybody just failed.
it's fine. Alright?
Sloan, you
talk like
did Sloan ace it?
He got a 9
Out of what?
out of 12. Or it's 9 out of 10 if I were to be AC. So it's 12 questions. So theoretically, if he were to take my post-test, he would have gotten a 9 out of 10.
Who?
So yes, he did ace it.
Good job, Sloan.
Good job, Holcomb. Oh, you said Sloan? Oh yeah, Sloan got 12 out of 12.
Oh, that's what I said.
Yeah, my bad. I thought you were talking about Holcomb. Okay, so one-step equations. One-step equations. What is an equation?
An equation.
What is it?
A math problem.
Yes?
Numbers up together.
Okay.
It is true. It is true.
Guess again.
It's a formula, no.
Well, yes. An equation is a kind of formula.
I never made that.
A kind
I was good at it.
of formula used to solve
This kid, he's damaged.
You see I'm recording, right?
He's damaged.
You go.
They dropped him on his head.
A kind of formula used to solve for
I don't like that.
a variable. Okay? A kind of formula that is used to solve for a variable. What is a variable? What is a variable?
A letter that represents a number?
X, Y, any type of letter. Mostly use X.
Mostly use X, so yes, X, Y, whatever, right? So a variable is part of the alphabet. Okay? It's part of the alphabet, meaning that of A, B, C, all the way to Z. Okay? A, B, C, all the way to Z. All of y'all pretty much know this already, all right? Okay? You are solving for a variable, okay? Variables are used, variables are used to replace the numbers that you're either trying to represent or find. Okay? The numbers that you are trying to represent / find. Okay? Rule number 1 about this class, anything that I write on the board, you write it down as well. Please write this stuff down, okay? This is my lesson. Make sure you have this written down. And these one-step equations, these one-step equations will go more so into 2 steps, multi-steps. What we're going to be doing today and tomorrow, just going over 1 steps. And then next week, I'm going to review 1 steps with you. And on Monday, I'm going to review 1 steps with you and start on 2 steps, okay? And then I'm going to continue doing 2 steps with you on Tuesday. And then Wednesday, I'm going to review both 1 steps and 2 steps with you. Guess what we're having on Thursday?
Quiz. Or test.
It's a
Whatever.
quiz. A quiz. You will be having a quiz next Thursday on 1 step and 2 step equations, okay? Next Thursday. Everybody good with this?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Wait, don't rush.
bro,
Bro. Okay, go.
alright. So, what are the different parts? Well, we have addition. Addition, okay? What does this mean? Well, the addition part, is this up there? Okay. The addition part is, let's say you have x minus 3 equal to 5, okay?
That's a minus.
Yes. The addition postulate for 1-step equations deals with you finding the opposites, okay? So, how are we, and when we're dealing with these equations, you need to ask yourself, how will I be getting this variable by itself, okay? And a good way for you to figure this out, a good way for you to figure this out is for you to look at the sides, okay? What a lot of kids these days don't realize is that this equal sign right here, it separates this equation into 2 separate sides. So what we can do, we could draw a line down the center of this equal sign, okay? Now, we have 2 sides, okay? What side is the variable on?
The left.
The left side, right here, okay? And we need to get this variable right here, that's in the box. We need to get this by itself. So, what number is over here with this variable?
3.
What kind of a 3 is it?
Minus 3.
It's a minus 3, it's a negative 3. Remember, the minus sign and the negative sign, they both go hand in hand, okay? So they both mean the same exact thing. So therefore, this is a negative 3 over here. So what's the opposite of a negative 3? Positive 3. The addition postulate. We are going to add this 3. And what you do on one side,
You do it to the other.
everybody, what you do on one side,
You do it to the other.
there we go. Add the 3 to the other side. Okay?
Oh, I kind of remember this. I remember.
The 3's cancel out, which means your variable comes down.
You do
X
all
is
the
equal to, what is 5 plus 3?
8. So x equals 8.
There you go.
So basically 1 and minus 3 is going to equal 5.
Okay, what?
So the x is basically like one number minus 3 equals 5.
Yes, exactly. And that's why I said the variable is the number that it represents, and the number that you're trying to find, okay? Subtraction. Subtraction.
Isn't it when except for minus x minus 3, it's like x, yeah.
Okay? X plus 3 is equal to 5. Right? You have something like this. Now, we're doing the same exact thing, okay?
I wish it
Let's
was
split up the two sides, right? You can split up the two sides if you so choose.
Whatever you do to the
Okay.
you do to the,
And you're trying to get this variable by itself. That's why I put a box around it right here, see?
minus-
Trying to get this variable by itself. So therefore, what's over there with this x, Holcomb?
Huh?
Huh? Honda? What's over there with this x on this side?
A 3?
What kind of 3?
plus.
A plus 3.
A plus 3. What's the opposite of a positive 3?
Minus.
A minus, yes.
Whatever you
What we do on one side, you must.
do to the other.
I only hear provatus.
Do the other.
Y'all sound so tired.
What if I am tired?
Okay, so
Sleep last night.
you bring the x down, or whatever variable you have. What is 5 minus 3?
2, x equals
2. Okay? Yes.
I regret not taking the pre-test.
I
Uh,
know.
I'm pretty sure I would have passed it.